To inspect and replace the drive belt on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. If a belt fails, always clean any debris from the outlet duct and from the clutch and engine compartments when replacing the belt. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Then, on 2-seat models, remove both seats. On 4-seat models, remove the rear passenger seats. Begin by thoroughly cleaning all debris from the engine compartment. Then, move to the driver's side rear wheel well and loosen the clamp fastener that secures the PVT inlet duct to the outer clutch cover. Now remove the hose from the clutch cover. Tip: loosen the top clamp fastener and position the hose out of the way. Next, loosen the 14 clutch cover fasteners. After this, slide the cover outward until it hits the shock spring. Rotate the cover downward and slide the cover down underneath the skid plate. Tip: keep the retained fasteners pulled out as much as possible to ease the removal. Once complete, inspect the cover seal for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The drive belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, insert the clutch spreader tool into the driven clutch. Turn the tool clockwise to open the sheaves. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Continue by inspecting the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Then clean the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Now clean the area around the clutches thoroughly to prevent damage to the vehicle components. Tip: any sign of oil leaks indicates that debris may be trapped behind the clutches. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outward when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin working it over the driven clutch sheave, while spreading the sheave as needed with the spreader tool. Then, remove the clutch spreader tool. Next, rotate the clutch 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt on the sheaves. Once complete, reinstall the clutch cover by maneuvering around the frame and over the drive clutch. Now install the 14 clutch cover fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, reinstall the PVT inlet duct to the outer clutch cover and fasten until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.